Son Mukherjee, and today we'll speak about Canvas and how make bouncing balls animation using Canvas. So this is our code. Here we have basic HTML, Canvas tag, and script tag. In Canvas tag we have ID, width, and height. These two are parameters of our Canvas paper. Let's go to the script part, script tag. These two lines describe our canvas paper, which will be 2D and which will have canvas ID, which will write in the canvas tag. So I'm gonna use a little bit different form. I will create a container which will contain all balls in it. So this is a little more different from our canvas page with 10 px. This is our container where all actions will be. Now let's create an array of cycles, of 4 cycles. You can see their parameters, colors, and the speeds. Next we have function animation. This means that we will create a color for our container. So this is that code with color in it, which will you see in later which color is this, and with parameters. Then we need to use for loop to describe the path how our cycles will move. So this part is their color. From this part we began our path. This line describes the cycle characteristics, and this function will fill all our cycles with color. So this part is animating cycles. So our cycles will move only when their when the x coordinates minus with their radius number, and plus with the x coordinate, which is their speed, should be less than their first coordinate. And also this if statement contains the part when if their x coordinate plus their radius number plus their speed is more than their x coordinate plus width of the container, only in this case they will move. And also when they come closer to the walls of the paper, they will bounce from the edges and go to the different sides. So this part describes that, and also the same thing for y coordinates of all cycles. So as you see, this is indexes of the cycles, which changes by for loop, and will end when they will be less than cycle dot length, which is 4. This is our if statements. Then we have these coordinates that after one action, their coordinate will be their first x plus their speed x. So for example, for the fourth cycle, the first x coordinate will be 100, y coordinate will be 50, and then from the second step the coordinates will be 108 with vx, and 60 with vy. So this describes the coordinates step by step. And then we call this function, which will run all our animation. So let's see what will happen. So here is a bouncing balls. We go and haha, our balls is bouncing from the edges of the paper and start to move. This is a background color, this is the container, this blue part, and the part which have black border is our canvas paper. So that's all from today. See you soon.